How to manage who can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then go down, click settings and then privacy, and now just go down here and you will find who can see my inventory. Click on it and you can make it for everyone or friends, users I follow and followers, and friends and users I follow, and or only your friends or no one. Do anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.